Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add link in WhatsApp status. Friends, if you want to share a website URL or social media link on your WhatsApp status, then you simply need to open your WhatsApp app. Now here in your WhatsApp app, you need to press on updates. Now here in updates, you need to press on this pencil icon. Write your text and URL. I need to share a website address, so I will copy it from my web browser. For that I will open my browser. Now I simply need to copy paste this URL. Now its thumbnail may appear like this. From here you can change its text font. Also you can change the background color. Now press on the send button to share it on your status. Now I will check out my shared status on my other phone. Now press on open to open this URL. So friends, like this you can very easily add a link on WhatsApp status. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.